Guys, welcome to Khan's Care Academy with another tutorial. Today in this tutorial we'll be learning about the hole wizard. We'll be making a hole with the help of the hole wizard, and then we'll be importing screws from online library, that's Master, and which you can find full range of screws and all types of screws there. So the issue regarding the screws in SolidWorks is that it's the screws it have in the toolbox, they are plain, they don't have any threads. So to overcome that issue, we will be importing them online from online libraries, and we can incorporate them in our real working designs. So let's start SolidWorks. We're making the new files. Initially we will be making a hole, okay, and then we'll apply the thread wizard. So let's start with the basic sketch on the front plane. Set the dimensions to millimeter because we'll be working in metric dimensions. Okay, let's put this 5 millimeter. It's also 5 millimeters, sorry, and let's extrude it till 3 millimeters. So we got our initial design ready. We'll move to the hole wizard. For making threads you need a hole first, so that's why you can. So in the hole wizard you can find different types of hole, that is the counter bore, the counter sunk, simple hole, straight tap, taper tap, legacy hole, counter bore slot, counter sink slot, and so on. So you can find different types of holes here. So we will go for simple hole. In the standard we will be selecting the NSI metric, and we will be selecting tab drills. The size of the hole will be M2. So M2 specification, you can get this information from this Master. You click on this link, right, and you can get that. What does it mean? So for metric M6:1, that actually means the digit that's present here represents the dia, the thread dia, while the second number represents the distance between the two threads. So this is the terminology that you need to know. Let's move ahead. So for now we are having a 2 millimeter dia thread size and 0.4 millimeter of distance between the threads. So this is all. Now we will click on the position. We'll click on this face and select this as a center. Click OK. So we got our hole now completed. Now we will be going to the thread wizard, and to specify the thread you need to specify the starting point, thread location. Okay, then you have to select specification. You have different. We'll be going for a metric tab, and the same size that we selected the hole, that is the M2 multiplied by 0.4. So, and we'll be using the cut thread specific method. Okay, now to end the wizard you have to select the end point where the thread ends. So we will select this face first, select this option, then select this face and click OK to close the feature manager tree. So we got our threads incorporated. So this is a simple method where regarding the hole wizard and the threads. Now we will be making assembly from this part. We will be inserting the let's give it a random name if you want. So we have to save this. Okay, now we go to insert, we got the part here. Now let's go to the website, and we will be clicking on this because we already made the whole as per specification on this screw, so we will be downloading the 3D file for this. So click on this link, okay, and we click on the product details. So we got this product details here, we got the drawing sheet, and now for the 3D models you have this drop down menu where you can select any format you want. So I want SolidWorks format. I will click on the save button, and the part starts downloading. So let's wait for the part to download. As it's downloaded, you can drag it here, right? So this is how it goes. Now we can rotate the design, the model, like this. For the assembly to be easily done, we need to define central axis, so that can be found here, and you can define an axis here. Just in order to make the axis of the hole and the screw coincident, so that's why we will need this. Okay, and we need another axis in this part, so we'll go to the reference geometry axis, click on this. Sorry. Yeah. So this is done now. Now let's move toward the assembly. For assembly, we should be clicking on to view the axis. Now go to the mate options. Select this axis and this axis, right? And now select this face and this face. So the assembly is done. Now just to see the cross-sectional view, you can click on the section view here, select the plane that you want. Now you can drag the plane to see the inside. Okay. Now it seems a little misaligned, so no, that's not a problem. You can align it by manually. So in this way you can align your threads. That's not a problem. You can. Yeah. So far so good. Yeah. So you can align it in this way. So this is how you can incorporate the threads and import real models that you can purchase online from a library, and this will help you to make your design more efficient, more realistic, before going into the production. So I hope you like the tutorial, and if you have any queries, you can leave your query in the comment section below. If you want the parts, I can provide the parts, and in addition I will be providing the link of this website so that you can download the files you want. So I hope you like the tutorial. Please don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.